Friends, today I'm going to show you a trick that will make your Instagram completely secure. Suppose you've chatted with someone on Instagram, but you don't want anyone else to see that chat. Then watch this video till the very end because there's a small but amazing hack waiting for you. So, let's say I've chatted a lot with this friend. Now I want to hide this chat. First, open your Instagram app, then tap on the inbox of the friend whose chat you want to hide. At the top, you'll see several options. From there, click on this option. After clicking, you'll see 3 dots on the right side. Tap on them. As soon as you do that, a few options will appear from there. Find the one called Restrict. Click on that option and magic happens. The chat disappears right before your eyes. Even if someone takes your phone, they won't be able to find that chat. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I hid the chat, but what if I want to bring it back later? Don't worry friends, you can get it back the same way you hid it. Go back to your Instagram inbox at the top. You'll see 3 tabs: Primary, General, and Request. Tap on Request. You'll find the list of people you've restricted there. From that list, choose the friend you want to unhide. Open their chat and tap on the Unrestrict button. See, instantly the chat returns to your inbox. This whole process is super easy, and the best part is no one will ever know that you've hidden a chat. So friends, this is how you can keep your private chats completely safe. If you like the video, give it a like and comment below whose chat would you like to hide.